Hey folks, it's Mr. Woodward showing you how to do this voltage investigation. I'm assuming that you are going to read all of these instructions, so I'm just going to start down at the bottom and ask you first to draw these arrows on each picture. So these arrows represent the leads of a voltmeter. The black lead is always pointed at the negative terminal of the battery, and the red lead is always pointed at the positive terminal of the battery. And what you're going to do is you're going to use a voltmeter in each of these circuits to measure the electric potential at each location around the circuit. And so I'll just show you how to do the first one, this one light simple circuit in the circuit construction kit. So specifically in this one, we've got, in the one light simple circuit, we've got a battery, we've got a wire going all the way around here, and this is a wire over here, and then those are going to a light bulb right here. So let's try that in the circuit construction kit. And then we're going to measure the electric potential at these locations. We'll call it location 1, location 2, and location 3. So here we go. So first I'm going to pull out a battery. I'm going to attach a wire to a light bulb. The light bulb, I'm going to rotate it first, then I'm going to attach it here. I'm going to first show you what not to do. Don't take this end of the wire and touch it to this side of the battery, because you'll get a short circuit. Means that you haven't connected the light bulb correctly. So delete that and bring this end over here first, and then connect that end. Now you'll see that the electrons are flowing at a more reasonable rate. Here's your voltmeter over here on this side. Pull that out, and first start with the black lead on the negative end of the battery. That's always 0 volts of electric potential. And then I showed you that the red arrow is going to touch here first, so that's what I'm going to do with this end of the voltmeter. And now you'll notice on the screen of the voltmeter, it says 9 volts. So that means that's the electric potential right at this location. Now I'm going to measure the electric potential at this end of the light bulb, and you'll notice that it's 9 volts again. And then I'm going to measure the electric potential at the other end of the light bulb, and now it's showing 0 volts. So I'm going to add those to my first picture. So I'm going to get rid of these location markers and include actual voltages. So I'm going to say, for this first one, this is 9 volts, and this one was 9 volts, and this one is 0 volts. And so you're going to do that for each one. You're going to follow the circuit diagram to construct the circuit. You notice that they get a little bit more complicated. Over here in the 3 light series circuit, you've got 1, 2, 3 lights that you're all going to put around. And so you're going to measure at way more locations. You're going to measure at location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then notice that these 2 circuits are actually the exact same circuits, so you can just copy what you've done in the first picture and do it down in the second picture. All right, that's it. Good luck.